I'm Springfield District Supervisor Pat Herrity. As Chairman of the Older Adults Committee, I'm honored each November to be able to recognize the critical contributions of our caregivers by recognizing Caregivers Awareness Month in Fairfax County. Whereas November is Family Caregivers Month, a time to recognize and honor the dedication and contributions of caregivers and to encourage support and gratitude for all the care they provide. And whereas family caregivers selflessly care for older adults and adults with disabilities by providing physical and emotional support as well as financial and medical assistance. And whereas 1 in 5 persons in Virginia is a family caregiver, and family caregivers prevent early institutionalization of loved ones, promote aging in place, and provide compassionate care without being paid. And whereas the monetary value of family caregiving is estimated at over $11.7 billion in Virginia, and whereas given the complexity of the roles and responsibilities of family caregiving, caregivers are at an increased risk for adverse effects on their physical, mental, and emotional well-being. And whereas programs in Fairfax County to support family caregivers include caregiver webinars, caregiver telephone support calls, caregiver consultations, care management, in-home respite and bathing services, text and email alerts, and an aging disability and caregiver resource line. Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all residents of Fairfax County, does hereby proclaim November 2022 as Family Caregivers Month in Fairfax County and urges all residents to reflect upon and celebrate the roles, responsibilities, and contributions made by caregivers. Thank you for all of our caregivers and for all you do for our community.